Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to share a VCA unboxing with you. Well, I was really excited to share it, but when I went to go pick up this item that I had ordered, there was a little incident at VCA and I'm kind of still like, what? So let's do a little story time. Okay, so I have been wearing all the time, totally loving, very obsessed with this VCA carnelian 5 motif bracelet. I got it for my birthday in September and I didn't think I would wear it as much as I did. Like, part of me is like, oh, is it a little orangey? Is it a little red? Like, will it, you know, not go with when I'm wearing pink or whatever? But I just love it. Even if I'm wearing pink, even if I'm wearing gray like this, like literally every day I'm wanting to wear this carnelian bracelet, like way more so than my onyx one. I actually feel bad. Like, if I do ever wear my onyx one, it's normally the carnelian and the onyx together, and then like none of these other bracelets. This is the Chanel fine jewelry bracelet, which I owe you guys a Chanel fine jewelry review, and I will do that. But if you recall, this was my best purchase 2024, this Camellia Bouton bracelet. Anyway, this is about VCA. I have been wearing this bracelet all the time. I love it. It's so good. It's so great, whatever. My everyday earrings mostly consist of these like Victoria little studs, like super teeny tiny. And I was wearing every single day pretty much the rose gold pave frivole earrings from VCA. And you know, when you wear stud earrings, and I also like to mix it up with these butterfly earrings, which are like tiny little studs. You know, when you wear studs, like, I mean, I'm not gonna show you on camera, it's kind of gross, but it's like your hair is in it, like it's right near where you do your makeup. I always put my jewelry on after my makeup, but you know, it gets dirty, right? So I was, so that's one thing. Anyway, I've been loving this bracelet and I wanted to order some earrings to kind of go with it, to kind of mix and match in my stack. I have multiple piercings. I wear multiple earrings every day. So I texted my VCA sales associate. I love her. She's the best. I said, can we order these? She said, yes, they'll take a couple weeks to arrive. They arrived. I went to go see her. I was running late actually, because it was like pouring rain, crazy monsoon storm. Anyway, so I've been wearing these frivole pave earrings every single day, pretty much. And I walked into the boutique and you know, they have like all the lighting on the jewelry and it's like so sparkly. And I'm like realizing, I'm like, oh yeah, my earrings are like not so sparkly right now. And I was talking about like, oh wow, the earrings are so sparkly in the case. And she's like, oh, well, let me clean your earrings while you're here. And I was like running late and kind of in a hurry. And so I was like, oh yeah, okay. Like I wasn't really sure about it, but I was like, okay, fine. You know, while I was picking up this item, and she's gone like for a while and I'm kind of like, oh shoot, I'm like running late for my next appointment. And it turned out that while she was washing the earrings, one of the diamonds in the pave fell out. Can you believe that? Like, I don't know whether that's like lucky or unlucky. I feel like it's a little bit lucky that it happened at VCA and she like found had the diamond. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. I guess if a diamond was gonna fall out, it might as well fall out there. But anyway, so she cleaned them and they look great. She's like, but now they need to be sent for repair. So I was like, okay. Yeah, I mean, I guess do it like sooner rather than later. So anyway, now I'm waiting another like 3 weeks for those earrings, which I was wearing literally every single day. But then she was like, well, you could just wear these out, because then I was like missing earrings. So there's no ribbon on this. All that long story long is to say that there's no ribbon on my box because she didn't put a ribbon on it because I wore the earrings out. God. So yeah, I don't know if I should like not be wearing them. I mean, I don't wear them in the shower or anything, but like I really wear them every day. I guess it's good because now they're gonna get checked, but maybe I should get like the non-pave frivole earrings maybe I should not get VCA if they're like losing diamonds. And I was like, I posted about this on Instagram and they're like, are they gonna make you pay for the repair? And I'm like, honestly, I have no idea. I didn't ask, I didn't put down a card or anything, but I can't imagine, right? That wouldn't make sense. Anyway, this is what I was there to pick up. Really cute, teeny tiny. These are the Sweet Alhambra carnelian studs in rose gold. It's really hard to tell. It's like a very soft rose gold. I don't know if that's gonna focus. They're really cute, really small. What I will say about these earrings though, that's different about the bracelet, and I think the bracelet is more beautiful than the earrings, frankly, is because the bracelet has like this, like it's see-through. It's like a jelly see-through. It's like a gel. So this is like gummy candy. The earrings, and I guess it's hard to see in the box, the earrings, because they have the gold in the behind them, right? They're like gold back. The earrings are like not this like pretty jelly. So they're more like opaque. And also these tiny earrings are rose gold, and this is regular gold, but it's a very soft rose gold. You can't really tell. Here, I'll show you again. So they don't truly match. But I like these tiny ones because I get so much use out of these butterfly studs. I got so much use out of the mini frivole pave. I get a fair amount of use, but not as much use out of the Plum Blossom earrings. The Plum Blossom earrings, which are like the equivalent size of like the vintage Alhambra, are just a little bit big. I actually really like teeny tiny itty bitty earrings. So I'll take these diamonds out just to show you what it looks like. They also need to be cleaned, but now I'm like scarred for life. Just my luck, you guys, just my luck. So you can see, so on this side I have three earrings. As I try and scooch closer so you could maybe see. It's like really subtle and cute, but just like a little something. Anyway, they're cute. Let me go through all the paperwork and stuff, and I cannot deal right now, so I'm just gonna have 2 different earrings. Well, more than 2 different earrings because of all the holes. Anyway, so let's go through all of the stuff. This is the receipt and my repair. Okay, so these earrings retailed for $2,800. That was like $3,000-ish with tax. This says no tax, but I don't believe that. Okay, this is my repair. So it says repair as needed. 1 diamond is missing, but also included in the bag. What does this say about my repair? Once the service is completed, it will be returned. Official photographic identification is required to pick it up. Okay, yeah, great, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I don't know. They could send it anywhere in the world to repair it. There's nothing about the exchange of money on this. We will find out. That's that. Here is the authenticity certificate, care, instructions, all of that good stuff. What else do we have? These are actually really useful. This is like a little travel pouch. And what I do is like, I have a bunch of these and like one from Cartier, and I stick them inside of like a jewelry box for travel. It's very convenient, very good. And then I have some chocolates for my travels. So in conclusion, that is my VCA unboxing. I mean, obviously I love my sales associate. She's like the sweetest in the world. I think she felt bad. It was like a little bit awkward because it kind of like, I think both me being in a hurry and then my earrings needing to be repaired kind of like killed the vibe at the shop, you know. And then she's like, do you want to see anything else? And I'm like, I'm really in a hurry. And I think it was just, yeah, it just killed the vibe. That's all it was. You know, it's just it's a little awkward for both of us. So anyway, that's my unboxing. I thought I would share it with you guys. You know, like I said, I'm continuing to invest in fine jewelry this year. I think these will get a lot of use. Like they're just super easy. I am thinking about maybe getting the mother of pearl ones too, because I feel like the mother of pearl one with the butterfly, it's like really cute, really cute. And then maybe, yeah, some like plain gold frivolous. Although you'd be like, Maddie, if the earrings broke, should you really be like buying more and more of the same? To which I would say, great question. So yeah, that's it. Otherwise, I hope you're all having a really great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay,